So welcome to Automated Trading. So in this step-by-step video, I'm going to walk you through how to see your automated trading bot in action on your Kraken account. So first off, sign into Kraken.com. Once you have signed in, look to the far upper right side and click on the 9 dots, and a drop-down will open up, then click on Kraken Pro. Then you'll be directed to this page. Look to the far left and click on the Trades icon. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to this page. Near the bottom of the page, you can click on Balances, Open Trades, Close Trades, Trades, and so on. And from there, you can see your automated trading bot in action. And as always, if you need any help, you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our automated trading team, because we're here to help.